Hey, this is Scott Alexander from Coldwell Banker Patterson Properties in San Angelo, Texas. And this falls under the category of listen to what your mom told you. You know, my mother used to tell me, you learn something new every day if you try. Well, here we go. I learned something new about the house selling process today. Recent studies, or analysis, I guess we should say, of 1.2 million homes for sale in over 21 markets all over the country found that houses listed on Thursday or Friday sell quicker and for more money. Go figure. So if you list your house and put it on the market on a Thursday or a Friday, it shows more often. Why? Because people tend to pick the freshest houses to go look at, and people tend to look at houses on weekends. So, and then the study also shows that houses sell for closer to list price. So, gee whiz, if you're thinking about putting your house on the market, maybe we ought to strategize about how to put it in the multiple list and do those things on a Thursday or a Friday. If you want to know more about this, give me a call, 325-450-5099.